Hey everybody, I am back with another Mother's Day card. This one is again very simple, but I think it is very elegant and perfect for Mother's Day. If you could do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you are making your Mother's Day cards this year or if you buy them. Also, all of the supplies are listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check them out. I am starting off with some Altenew washi tape. This one is really gorgeous. It's purple and then it has that gold foiling. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can use it for so many different things. Today I am adding it to some cardstock and then I will be die cutting out the word mom. This die is from my favorite things from the All About Mom stamp set and die set. I really like this die. There is two that come in the pack. So there's the uppercase and then there's lowercase mom, and the stamp set has so many wonderful sentiments. I am going to be using one on this card today. I used my platinum die cut machine from Spellbinders. I absolutely love it. It's very nice because you could fold up the ends and kind of tuck it away somewhere. And then I am going to be using some more washi tape from Altenew. This one is a dotted pattern and is perfect to add to a card base if you don't really feel like adding paper. And then this one, you can get a ton of different looks depending on the color cardstock you stick in the back. So you can add a pink or a purple in this case, something that will give the card a little bit more color. I wanted just to use white for this and then have that mom really pop. At this point, I decided that I wanted to cut down that card panel. I wanted to put some black cardstock behind there. So this was my card base, but then I am going to cut it down so that I can stick some black cardstock behind it. I am going to cut it down to, I believe, 3 3/4 by 5. So I'm going to add the black cardstock, which will measure 4 by 5 1/4. Sorry, I'm trying to think of my measurements. So in this case, it's going to be the card panel, black cardstock, and then you also see the card base. And that way it kind of just adds a little bit more something to the card. Because this is such a simple card, I really wanted to make it a little bit more elegant without adding too many steps and too many things to it. So I did die cut out some foam, and if you haven't seen my quick-ish tip on this using foam with the die cuts, I will have it linked in the upper right hand corner for you. It's just a super simple tip that somebody pointed out that they had no idea that you could cut the fun foam with the wafer thin dies. So I just did a quick video sharing that you definitely can, and I love using it for semi-intricate dies. It does do pretty well. So it's nice to have that instead of having to layer tons of like 5 or 6 cardstock layers together. It just makes it a little bit faster and easier. All right, so I added that card panel to the black cardstock, and then I am going to add a strip of black cardstock. So the washi tape is a little bit more grounded, I guess, if that makes sense. And then I am going to add the mom with the Connect glue from Gina Designs. I added the washi tape that is on the cardstock to the foam with the Gina Designs glue as well. I really like this glue. It works perfectly. I haven't had any issues of anything coming up. It is new to me, but I think I've been using it for about a week or two maybe, and like I said, I haven't had any issues. So I will definitely check back if any issues arise. I don't know of anybody having any problems with it, losing the stickiness or anything like that. But I definitely will let you guys know. All right, so I added that the mom to the card base, and now I'm going to add the card panel to the card base. Yeah, I'm getting so confused. There's so many layers. And I am using some scrapbook.com adhesive. It is running to like the very last of it, so it was a little bit hard to get off, but I did manage to get that little last bit of it. And I added that to the card base. And then I'm going to stamp out a sentiment. I am going to be using some VersaMark ink, and I am going to be using some Brutus Monroe Raven embossing powder, sorry. And I absolutely love this embossing powder. It is truly black. I found this embossing powder through Jess over at A Card Day's Work, and she said it is truly black. I have some blacks that are a little bit more on the gray side. One is almost brown, and I wanted something that is really black, and it is. So thank you so much, Jess, for recommending it. All right, so I'm going to add that sentiment to my card. And while I do that, here is a couple comments that just caught my eye. And I want to thank you guys for commenting, liking, subscribing, sharing, all of the above. I truly appreciate all of your support, all for all of the years that I've been doing videos. It really means a lot to me. And here's a look at the card. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like always, the supplies are listed down below. If you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. I do card videos, mixed media, all sorts of different things. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.